Hello students, today we are going to solve examples based on these corollaries. In the previous lecture, we have already seen the proof of this. Also, we have seen integrals of these trigonometric functions. We will use all these formulae and we are going to solve examples from exercise 3.2. Now we are solving examples on substitution method, and this is our first example, integration 3x square sine of x cube dx. Now by the name itself, here we have to substitute. Let x cube equal to t. Now we can check its derivative 3x square dx is present here. So let x cube equal to t. Therefore differentiating this, so 3x square dx equal to dt. Now we will substitute these two here, and therefore I means this integral equal to integration 3x square dx is dt and sine of this x cube means t. So integration of sine is again minus cos of t, so that is equal to plus c. And now again in the last step, substitute t means function of x, which is x cube. So final answer is minus cos of x cube plus c. This is our second example, and by observing this we can understand log of x equal to t, we have to substitute. So here let log of x equal to t. Now we will differentiate this. Therefore derivative of log x is 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Now check here, 1 upon x dx is present. So this integral I is equal to, substitute these two things here. So t raised to n and 1 upon x dx means dt. So we will write here dt. Now here we will use x raised to n formula. So its answer is t raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. And again in the last step, t means what? Log of x. We will substitute that. So here log of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and plus c. This is the final answer and very easy to solve. This is our third example, integration x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into a raised to x plus tan inverse of x into dx. So here we have to substitute this index equal to t. So I am writing here let this equal to t. Now differentiate this. So derivative of x is 1 and derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and here write down dx, and this is equal to dt. Now here make the denominator same. So 1 plus x square 1 za 1 plus x square, then plus 1, and this denominator is 1 plus x square, and here write down dx, and that is equal to dt. Now x square and this 1 plus 1 means 2. This 1 plus x square into dx, and that is equal to dt. Now check here, x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 means 1 plus x square dx equal to dt. So substitute these things in the original integral. Therefore I is equal to, here a, this index means t and this term means dt. So again we have integration a raised to t into dt. Now integration of a raised to t is a raised to t upon log of a plus c. And again in the last step substitute t, which is x plus tan inverse of x, this log a as it is, and plus c is the final answer. This is our fourth example. Integration sine of x raised to 4 into cos cube x dx. Now here we will substitute this sine of x equal to t. So I am writing here, if sine x equal to t, then derivative of this is cos of x dx equal to dt. Now check here. Here term is cos cube x dx. So we will split this cos cube x as cos square x into cos of x dx. Now we know sine of x equal to t. This cos of x dx equal to dt. So we have to change this cos square x in terms of sine of x. So here we will write this as 1 minus sine square x. We will use identity, this term as it is. Now put sine of x equal to t, and therefore cos of x dx equal to dt, and we will substitute these two things here, and therefore I is equal to integration of, now sine of x equal to t, so this is t raised to 4, and in bracket 1 minus sine square x means t square, and here cos of x dx means dt. Now again we will multiply this separately, and so again we have, this is t raised to 4 minus t raised to 6 into dt, and now we will take separate integration for these two terms. So integration t raised to 4 dt minus integration t raised to 6 into dt. Now here use x raised to n formula. This is t raised to 5 upon 5 minus here t raised to 7 upon 7. That means we are using x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and here write down plus c. But this answer is in terms of t, but our function is in x. So again we have to substitute, t means sine of x. Here sine of x raised to 5 upon 5 minus sine of x raised to 7 upon 7 plus c. This is the final answer. This is our next example. Integration root tan x upon sin x into cos x into dx. Now we cannot fit this into standard formula. So first we will simplify this. So first we will assume let I is equal to this integral, and we will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. And therefore this root tan of x upon cos square x, and in the denominator this and upon cos square x, and here dx. Now in the denominator 1 cos of x get cancelled, and so integration root tan x as it is, then 1 upon cos square x means sec square x, and upon sin x upon cos x means tan of x. Again in the next step root tan x and this tan x, so 1 root tan x get cancelled, and that is equal to upside sec square x, and in the denominator root tan of x remains, and here write down d of x. We know its answer, f dash x upon root fx is 2 root fx, and by this formula derivative of tan x is sec square x, so directly its answer is 2 root tan of x. But since this is substitution method, we will solve by substituting this tan of x equal to t, and therefore sec square of x dx. On differentiating, this equal to dt. So we will substitute these two things here, and therefore I is equal to integration, this is dt and upon root t. So again we know that integration of 1 upon 2 root t is root t. So we will multiply and divide by 2. So I am writing here and multiply here also, and its answer is this 2 as it is, and this is simply root t and then plus c. Check now, d by dt of root t is 1 upon 2 root t, and so integration of this equal to root t we have written here, and in the last step again t means what? Tan of x. So its answer is 2 root tan of x plus c is the answer of given integral. This is our next example. Integration 1 plus x upon x into sine of x plus log x into dx. And again here we will substitute this x plus log of x equal to t. And so now differentiating this, we have derivative of x is 1, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, then we will write here dx, and that is equal to its derivative is dt. Now check again, 1 plus 1 upon x we cannot observe here. So again we will divide 1 plus x separately by x here. First assume this is I equal to, I is equal to 1 plus x upon x and this denominator as it is. Now divide these two terms separately by x. So we have 1 upon x plus x upon x means 1, and I am writing here dx, and again this denominator as it is. Check now, this bracket means t and 1 upon x plus 1 into dx, this means dt. So by 1 we will write I is equal to integration, this is dt upon sine of t. And again 1 upon sine t means cosec of t, and we have seen 4 formulae. Integration of cosec t is, this is our formula, just we will write instead of x t, and so its answer is log of mod of cosec of t minus cot of t plus c. And again in the last step we will replace t by this bracket which is x plus log of x, because our function is function of x. So again we will replace t by this bracket, and so final answer is log of mod of, this is our final answer. And this is our last example of this type. First we will assume given integral as I. Now observe the angle here, 3x, 2x and x. So we will find relation between this and these two. So consider this tan of 3x, and we will split this angle as tan of 2x plus x. And we will use tan alpha plus beta formula. So here tan of 2x plus tan of x upon 1 minus tan of 2x into tan of x, this formula. And now we will move this denominator to the left hand side. So again we have tan of 3x into, we will write this denominator and this numerator as it is, tan of 2x plus tan of x. Multiply separately by tan of 3x to this and this. Again we have and again tan of 3x into these two terms. Now check, this is our given integrand. We will move this to the right hand side and again we will move these two terms to the left hand side. So we have, this is minus tan of 2x. Again this is minus tan of x, and that is equal to, this term will become plus, and that means we have converted this product into this, and so again we have I is equal to integration of, instead of this we will write this, and again in the next step we will write this integration symbol separately for this, this and this by the rule. Again we know this rule, integration of tan equal to log of mod of sec x, but this term is in the form ax plus b, so we have to divide by its derivative. So its answer is log of mod of sec of, this is 3x, and again we will divide by its derivative which is 3. Now here also log of mod of sec of 2x upon its derivative is 2, and this is log of mod of sec of x, and in the last we will write this is constant of integration. So this is our final answer. And hence we have solved all type of examples based on 4 corollaries and on integrals of trigonometric functions, and by the same way you have to solve remaining examples.